So here we are, once again. Do you have what it takes to be an average Joe millionaire? Going from 0 to 1 million in 2 years. If you want to see how my progress has gone, stick around and we'll get right into it. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Leroy, and welcome to my channel, 40 and Broke, where we're all about getting out of debt, saving, investing, and getting our finances under control so we can live the life we've always dreamed of, because that's what it's all about, living the life we've always dreamed of. For starters, I do have other clothes, but this is my favorite shirt. You know, I like wearing it. I like lounging in it when I'm home. And it was another late night. I almost didn't do this video because I don't have much of an update, but I was like, hey, I got to come out here and do it. So what am I going to talk about today? I want to talk about, let's do my shout outs. I got a couple shout outs here. One, I got a shout out for Back Alley Stock Picks. This guy is giving some great stock picks. They're penny stocks. Most of them are over-the-counter stocks, so you need like a TD Ameritrade or another trading platform like that. Like, I can't do some of them on Webull or Robinhood, so you need the TD Ameritrade. You need the different trading platforms for them. But he's been giving some great stock picks. So if you want to build that money quick and look at some stock picks like that are going to go from low to possibly, because this is not financial advice, possibly get you good gains, that's a great channel to look into. And the other one is Financial Freedom Made Simple. And I've said his name before, Christian. I've really been binge watching a lot of his videos because his channel talks a lot lately about rentals, and he's doing an Airbnb, and that's something I really want to get into. Those are my two shout outs right there. Financial Freedom Made Simple, Christian, and Back Alley Stock Picks. All right, so what is my update? Okay, so right now, if I look at everything I built up, I've actually cashed out $252 and $252.32, I think, or $257.32, something like that. Not a whole lot of money for what I've been doing. However, I have been working on the shield. I got my pallet all tore apart. I've got that to where I'm getting ready to glue everything together. I just got to get it all set up. I got all the nails out of it. Oh, that's going to be a good one. And I was watching some videos on how to do like electro etching. And I want to take an axe head. I want to make like a Viking axe. I think that would just be awesome. Anyways, so I've got my Cash Apps, Shopkick. I had to go get the wife another gift for the holidays coming up, so I wanted to get her one more gift. I got 10 points just walking into Walmart. Shopkick. I love that. As I was walking around looking for her gift, I just snapped pictures of barcodes, making money just walking around Walmart. So I'm about halfway to a $25 gift card. Yeah, I think it's a $25 gift card to Walmart on that one. I'm almost ready to cash out on Receipt Hog and Fetch. So now, once again, the links are in the description below. Everybody gets a piece of the pie if we use both of those. If you use that referral code, we all get a piece of the pie. But one of my biggest advice is, if you're going to use something like this, use a referral code. You don't have to use mine, but if you're going to sign up for an app, or if you're going to sign up for, say, Robinhood or an investment platform, anything, even a credit card or a bank account, try to find a referral link, because you can always get a better deal with somebody's referral links. So use referral links whenever possible. Always try to find one. That's my little tip for that. That is financial advice right there. If you're going to sign up for something, try to find a referral link so that way you make more money on it. Anyways, another thing I have is I've got some of the stuff that are stocks. I've got $50 set aside just in money. So I think what I'm going to do is, right now, I'm just going to start stockpiling money. And I really want to crack down and get a rental so that I can Airbnb. I've got plans to Airbnb a rental, and I'm really starting to look into it. I just watched a video by Christian on Financial Freedom Made Simple where he was talking about get 10 people together, everybody puts in $1,000, $2,000, and there's your down payment on a house. So you all pitch in, you kind of like crowdsource a rental. You can't beat that. So basically, I'm just, once again, got all my irons in the fire. I'm working every angle that I can. I'm just here trying to give you guys an update, keep myself accountable, let you guys know what's going on, and just show you, hey, it's taking some time, but you know what? We're gonna keep going at it. We're gonna achieve this 1 million, and that's what we're doing. $1 million, 2 years. Follow me on the journey. If you like stuff like this, if you want to follow me on this journey, if you want to see if you can go from $0 to 1 million in 2 years, hey, join the journey right here with me. We'll do it step by step. All right, everybody, have a great night.